Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes and this is a Kawasaki ZX10R. Mega braking from them Brembo brakes there. You've obviously heard the bike itself. It's with the Akrapovic and decat. Got the blipper that's been enabled within the remap itself. R&G protection, seat cowl. Only that as standard. They come with power, adjustable traction, ABS. This one's obviously got the tail tider on there as well. Mega bikes these. Gorgeous KRT colour scheme on it as well. Yeah, all the power, all the looks. What more do you need on a bike? Guys, you've seen this absolute belter of a bike. They're a dying breed sports bikes, so get this one in your garage. In order to purchase it, it's easy. You pop down and see the sales guys, or you just give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.